Welcome to another video. In this one, I show you how to copy a formula in Microsoft Excel where you have one formula in one cell, in one field, a cell, and you want to copy it to another cell and even to copy it on all the rows on a specific column to have the same formula on all the rows or all the columns like this, horizontal or vertical. So let's check it. Okay, how to copy a formula. So I want to show you that I want to copy a formula from one column to another column, and also you have the option where you only have the formula in one cell here, and then I want to copy this formula from row 2 to 3 and 4 and so on. You can do it very easily vertically by dragging from the corner here, the lower right corner, you click and drag all the way where you want to copy it. And if there is no data for it to use in that row, it will put NA as non-applicable. There is an easier way to do this. There is this easier way to do this. You click on the cell you want to copy the formula from, and double click on the lower corner here, and you have the cell there. It's copied. And for some reason, if I wanted to copy this into a new column, I just did it. You insert a new column and you copy it there, but you could actually select the column, the whole column with the formula, right click on the column after where you want it to be inserted and click insert copied cells, and you also copied the formula here. So you have it 3 times here. And there is also another way to do it. So I clear these cells here, and if you want to, for some reason, you're building a formula here and you want to change things here. For example, I want to make, for example, a sum between C2 and D2. For some reason, I want to do that. Doesn't really make sense to do it, but this is the part of the test. And this is the formula here, C2, D2. And in the next one, I want to sum the previous 3 columns. So I will copy the formula from here. Actually, I could use sum C2, D2. This is more elegant. Okay, actually I will use sum C2 colon D2, and the same for the other ones. So now this is a bit more elegant. And okay, I have first one is rank and then a sum, this one, and the next one is empty. So to make it more simple now, usually this is very helpful when you're building formulas. So you make different columns with different formulas. I click on make sure you're on row 2 and not row 11 or 20. I click on the cell here and I click on here where is the function editor. Shift back to select the whole text, copy, escape to not to edit the formula, and then I click on the same row in F2 here. So I was on E2, now I'm on F2. I click on the formula and I click paste. Don't know what happened here. Okay, so I click on the E2, select, Control C, escape, click here, click on the F2, click inside the box, and nothing happened. Okay, I'll try like this, copy, escape, paste. I don't know why, I don't know, maybe something wrong with my keyboard, or maybe something with they changed something, but it's usually working. Let's do it again. So I go here, I click inside the formula, shift back home, Control C, escape, click on the cell, then inside the formula, and it's there. Interesting. I just did the same thing again. Maybe something was wrong with the keyboard. Control S, don't remember to save the documents, but I wanted to show you now. You copied the same formula. The formula is to make some addition between C2 and D2. C2 and D2. But on the F here, I want to summarize, to add 3 columns here. So I copied it because this could be a really huge formula, and I go click there into this formula editor, change it to E2, and double click in the corner, and I have now this one will make a total of these 3 columns, these 3 amounts. And you can keep going like this. There is also the option where you can drag the formula horizontally instead of vertically. So I have an empty column here, and I can go on the lower right corner of this cell and drag it to the right side, and it will follow the pattern. Now it's adding 3, but it's moving to the right, so be careful with that. If you want things not to be like that, you copy 2 of the columns and then drag them like that. It's even worse. It doesn't detect the pattern here. It doesn't get it. It just doesn't get it. Okay, so if you didn't get it, you can edit this by going into the box there, or even dragging like that. So I have this one is 3, and then the next one is 4. The same idea. Let's see if it will know to drag the next amount. No, it will get 3 like the previous one. So it's not always perfect. You have to check the formulas when you do them, but this is how you copy a formula on the next row or on the next column, or autofill them, or copy from the formula field here into the there's one trick here. You have to be careful when you click inside the cell and you select formula to copy it. If you click on another cell, it will change the formula. So always press escape after that. And now we have the same formula on the column G as F, because I just copied them and I double clicked on the corner to bring it outside all the way to the end of the table. So hopefully this was not too confusing. There are many ways to copy the formulas, and these formulas, they could be really long. So yeah, I think this video is already too long. Perfect, done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you. Let me know in the comment section below if this video was helpful, and if it wasn't, if something else was you're looking for. Yeah, write the comment below and say what you want to see. Maybe I'll make a video for you especially, and someone else who is interested. If this video wasn't, if you're looking for something specific, write a comment section below with a video. Write in the comment section below a video request and I might do it for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Road to 100,000 subscribers, so please subscribe below. Use the button there somewhere. Don't forget to subscribe. It really helps us. The subscription will really help us, and you will also get to watch interesting videos and get to be the Excel wizard of the office. Let's see. Copy formula. Today I show you how to copy a formula in Microsoft Excel. Very quick and easy video. Let's check it.